Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mary Ann. For today's video, we will be unboxing parcel from subscribers in UK. But before get into this video, please leave me a thumbs up in my video, subscribe to my channel, and click notification bell so you will be notified on my next video. And if you finish already, then let's begin. Alright guys, and before we open this box, I would like to answer these questions. One of my subscribers comment on last video that I had unboxing also. Hanilet Wamerga. So, yung parcel ko galing din UK. Paano mo po na-track yung parcel mo? Okay, kung ang courier mo is Royal Mail, you can track that website, you know, www.royalmail.com. You track your parcel kung nasaan ba, no? Okay, matatrack mo po yan kapag yung sa website nila. And next, may binayaran ka po ba ng tax, ma'am? Yes, upon receiving po sa parcel mo doon sa post office, may babayaran ka po na 112. So, ano yung tawag nun? Meron ako receipt, guys. Yes, parang ganoon na rin po, tax. Upon receiving your parcel, meron kang babayaran na 112 pesos. So, ayan. But for now, i-open na natin itong box. Parcel. So, this parcel is from my subscriber from England. So, UK. We call this United Kingdom. For short na lang. Okay. Yes, this courier is Royal Mail. So, I tracked this one on the website of Royal Mail. So, alam ko kung nasaan na yung parcel from that day that subscriber sent, no? That was May 25. And then, di-deliver na siya through Manila. So, na-receive siya noong May 29. So, May 29, tong parcel na to, nandun na sa Manila Customs. So, imagine guys, from May 29, so, na-receive ko today, June 13. Pero, nag-asa ko dun sa post office, dumating pala ito nung June 11. So, imagine that guys. How many days nandun lang siya sa Manila. But, we will consider that kay, ano naman, sine-check nila yung mga parcel nyo kung anong totoo ba yung dineclare nila sa loob, kung ano laman, no? So, ayun guys, so i-open na natin ito. Let's do it! So, every time I receive parcel from subscribers, we just saying anonymous from the privacy of the subscriber. So, you know who you are from the bottom of my heart. Again, thank you so much for this. I'm so excited. So, open na natin guys. So, paano ba ito i-open? So, i-cut na natin. Ay. Hirapan ako mag-open. Ay, ng gunti guys. But, So, sobrang excited ko kasi pag-open ng parcel, ano na natin yung box. I-CO na nato ba ang box, guys? Wow! I'm so excited! Tada! So, medyo lakihan naman natin ang open. Tada! Ayan, guys. Ooh. So, first, ano po? Oh my God. It is for private thing. Oh my God, guys, look at that. And then wait, guys, meron akong shoes. Oh my God, too small. But I think this fit for me because look at that. Smell nice. Look at that. I will fit that in a bit. And then I have, oh, this one. This L'Oreal Age Perfect Anti Fatigue. This is wipes. I use this for removing makeup. It's really good, guys. L'Oreal. Wow, thank you so much. And I have two. Yeah, I use this for removing makeup. Cleanse, makeup remover. Wow, and also this one, I like this. Oh my God, guys, this is a moisturizing cream. I use this one before maglagay ako ng makeup. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, guys. Ang ganda nito, guys. Ayan, oh. L'Oreal. So, ang ganda nito kasi meron siyang anti-wrinkles hydrating cream. So, reduce first wrinkles in elasticity, hydrate 24 hours. Imagine, guys, this is good when you expose with the sun. I like this one. It's moisturizing. So I have two. Wow. Yay. And then, oh my God, guys. Nivea Pearl, Nivea Black Whites. This is for armpit. Yes, it's nice. Now I can have this deodorant. Oh, they have three. Three pala, guys. So, yan. Meron akong budget dyan. And then, wow, sexy. Yeah, I like it. I'm gonna wear that in a bit. Oh my God, the chocolates! It's melted! Oh, nag-melt na siya, guys. Oh my God. But lagay ko to sa fridge. Lagay ko to sa fridge. Kasi medyo na soft na siya. Sa sobrang init. Ilang days nagbiyahe nito, guys. So, anyway. Lagay natin yan sa fridge. And then, what is this? Make yourself a priority. Make yourself a priority, guys. It's like it's good. Alright. And then, wow! I love this! Oh, there's like a receipt. Holy shock. Holy shock. Maybe forgot to remove this, the receipt. I have to look at that. So yeah, a wallet. Wow, nice. I like the color. I like it. And they have like, yeah, string to put here. Meron siyang kawitanan, guys. Oh. And then, wow, I like it. It's nice. So, yeah. So, ayan siya, guys. Fit siya. Ayan. Hanggang dito siya. Okay lang. Yeah, it fit on me. Wow, lucky na fit. Thank you so much, and let us try the other one. So, ayan siya, guys. Ayan siya. So, it fit on me. I think my size is on kids wear section. Medyo masikip siya dito, pero yung cloth ay expandable naman. So, yeah. Tara! Fit siya, guys. Oh. So, ayan. And then, this one naman is, huwag na natin ito ipakita kasi parang ano siya. Ano niya siya, o para namang ano. Wow! Are you sending your knickers? Oh my god, guys. I don't know if I show this one. I don't know if I show you this one, guys. It's private for girls. It's a private thing for girls. Wow. It's nice. It's nice. I like it. So, yeah, it's undies. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I know who you are. Thank you so much. God bless you, and thank you for watching this video. Please leave me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click notification bell so you will be notified on my next video. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye.